got here is a 2005 Honda Element. Okay, on this 2005 Honda Element, we had to remove a little bit of interior stuff here. The trim here, kickboard, and we pulled up the plastic. And you notice here that we still have water forming. I mean, that's old water that's underneath the carpet. I did a trace with the hose, and water was started spilling in from underneath back here. So I traced it up to the front cowl of the hood, and we'll get into how we fix that. This cowl here. Okay, if you notice in there, that's the hole for the air induction for the heating and air conditioning system. What happens is the felt lining that goes against here against this cowl wears out over time. Water starts coming in when it rains, and if you're parked on a hill, it's going to fill up and spill back into the hole. So what I did was I got a thin piece of metal here, bent it and cut it, and glued it along the side with some waterproof liquid nails. Right now it's just holding it. And I stuck a sponge in there just to hold it. So what's going to happen is when the water comes down, if it spills in here, it's going to hit this panel and go back into the water channels. Okay. So the next step is we're going to let the liquid nails dry a little bit. I'm going to put back the cowl and continue on with the drying process of the interior. If you notice, we put everything back the way it is. This is where the water was coming down the front windshield, and it would stop here. What happens is the felt underneath here is worn out, so it's going to, instead of overflowing up here, it's going to get stuck and travel down. Now it's going to hit that metal pan and just drip out the side like it's supposed to. This right here is the piece of metal I used to make the little cover. You just want to use like a thin piece of metal that's easily bent and waterproof.